Okay, we're going to show you how to turn this puppy on now. Now this is the controller, and we're going to turn it on. And you can see that it's blinking because it's not connected to the unit yet. So this one is kind of a trick. You press the button, release it, and then press it again. And you can hear it come to life. Now there's a few other things you have to do if we just started it up for the first time, but we've already calibrated it. That'll be in another video. Now I'm going to start Wi-Fi. There's the GPS. And you can see it's connected. So now we're going to go to the app. Tap Start. Confirm. Got it. Now you're looking at the camera. So I can control the gimbal up and down. Like this. So now we have the GPS on, so it's not going to work indoors. So we're going to turn the GPS off, and I'm going to fire it up. And here, if there's anything you watch on this video, watch this. How to turn it on and how to turn it off. That's probably the most important thing. That was the hardest thing in the instructions for me to find. So I'm going to use the one-touch takeoff, and I'm going to see if Kathy can follow it. Bring it back down a little bit. Turn it around so it's looking at us. And the only thing I'm not doing right now, I'm not recording because I didn't hit the record button. So we're going to bring it over here to the middle of the floor. And I'm going to hit the one-touch land. Now I'm going to tell you, if I can do this, anybody can do it. And we're getting a low battery beep.